Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the world of cars. Today we're reviewing the all-new Peugeot Rifter 2025, the vehicle that combines affordability with a surprising dose of driving excitement. Whether you need a family hauler, an adventurous road tripper, or a versatile city ride, the Rifter is a strong contender. Let's see why. The Peugeot Rifter 2025 has a sleek yet rugged design featuring modern LED headlights and a bold grille. Inside, it's spacious, with a well-thought-out cabin that's built for both comfort and practicality. It can seat up to 7 people, making it perfect for larger families or group outings. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Rifter comes with a range of engine options, including a 1.5-liter diesel and 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, offering up to 130 horsepower. While it's not a race car, the Rifter delivers a smooth and controlled ride. It's built for comfort, but still manages to offer some driving excitement with responsive steering and a relatively nimble feel for its size. So how does it stack up against the competition? Compared to the Renault Kangoo or the Fiat Doblo, the Rifter offers a more premium interior feel and better handling dynamics. Plus, its price point is very competitive, starting at a lower range than many of its rivals, making it a solid choice for those looking for value without sacrificing quality. To sum it up, the Peugeot Rifter 2025 excels in its versatility. Its spacious cabin, advanced tech features, and solid performance make it ideal for families or adventure seekers alike. And let's not forget, it's affordable without feeling cheap, offering that perfect balance between practicality and driving excitement. Thanks for tuning in, car lovers. If you found this review helpful and want more in-depth car reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let us know in the comments. What do you think of the Peugeot Rifter 2025? Is it the right car for you? Until next time, keep driving with passion.